everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great mail solution from my good friends at Suttle-Straus in Waunakee, Wisconsin. This was for client YMCA of Dane County. This is a fundraiser, very, very recent. This was during COVID, so it says COVID closed our doors but not our hearts. So this piece, as I said, is a mailer. This mailed in an envelope. They have a die cut here, the heart. Technically, this could self-mail to flip and tab if you don't have the die cut. So the back panel has a really nice illustration from a child, a thank you illustration. So anyway, it opens up like this. And when it opens, there's a panel here. It says Your Mission Critical Association. And this folds down, and this is actually a perfed panel right here that people could fill out and make a mail-in donation. There's not an envelope in the mailer. They can use their own envelope, or this also drives them online as well. And so when you open it, there's this stitched in, stepped waterfall booklet. And I love this. So each of these steps are 3/8 of an inch, and there are 6 of them. And then the 7th, technically, step is the inside back cover of the brochure. So they've got 12 pages in here, each one stepped. And I love that each stepped segment focuses on a different category: emergency child care, 9,000 free meals, you name it. They've got all these wonderful categories reminding people why this is a great place to donate. Lots of space for photos and text, and yet it's very organized in all of these categories. This is an 80-pound satin coated cover for the carrier, and then 80-pound text, satin text on the inside here. These were printed sheet fed, 4-color on a Heidelberg and a color press. These were die cut, score, perf. Then they were assembled by hand, machine stitched, and put in an envelope and mailed. They did about 12,000 of these. Just, I think, brilliant format, especially for its purpose. Love this. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Trifold mailer with waterfall stepped booklet stitched in. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. If yours, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.